Consistency is and will always be greater, not equal to, only greater than motivation. I'm pursuing a goal. It is not like it will happen in a day or in like overnight. You need to make sure that your timing drops down the every second. You need to make sure that your diet is on point. You need to also make sure that your practice is on point. You don't skip days. It is never possible for any guy or any girl, or any man, woman, anybody in this entire world to just achieve something if he or she has no strong desire about it.
So, hello guys, and welcome back to our podcast channel Duocast 1v1. And we are here back again with the guest Paras Kumbhar, which you might be knowing since our last podcast. And also I need to thank to the Storycraft Studios for giving us such a wonderful opportunity to shoot here. And we'll be giving the link and we'll be giving their account in our bio. So do check them out. It's in Thane, and if you need any podcast or if you need to do any shoots, etc., they are the ones to look for. So hi, bro.
Hello, man.
Parak, how are you doing?
All good? All good, man.
Yeah. So how's your life going?
As of now, I was like, it was post exam season altogether. So I was basically chilling and like gymming was thoda sa better, consistent.
Hmm.
Was doing an internship recently.
Right.
That's
So
all.
this life's going. Yeah.
Yeah, you can say daily routine,
Yeah.
corporate life.
Corporate life. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
So yeah. So okay. Last podcast we talked about your transformation from what you have become. So I need to ask you, do you have or did you inculcated any habits in yourself so that you transformed yourself? There must be, like, it's definitely not an overnight success. You have developed yourself 1% every single day. So let me know about the process.
Nishad, I would like to mention this that I'm actually not a success altogether. It's not an overnight success. It is not a success.
Okay.
Okay. It's just the process, and like you can say अरिजीत सिंह की लाइन भी है कि सफ़र खूबसूरत है मंजिल से भी, something like that. So like it's all the essence of enjoying it's all like how we enjoy the process.
Yeah.
Okay. So I feel if the like अगर हमें कहीं पहुंचना है, if we want to reach a destination altogether, we should enjoy the process first. True. And speaking of 1% every day, that is a very good point that you mentioned.
Yeah.
Like 1% every day. Why? Because 1% every day helps you be consistent. It's not like कि I'll, as we mentioned, I guess in the last moments of the podcast, I just mentioned that, oh, I'll like taking a starting point and then dreaming of achieving a big success in a very short amount of time.
Right.
We discussed about that.
Yeah.
Correct. So again, that is the whole essence of life, that we should start from ground zero, but we should aim at moon to reach the stars. Then we'll reach the stars. Of course, we will aim at moon. If we reach the moon, nothing like that. But at least we should reach the stars and we should be consistent. That's the whole point.
Yeah.
Consistency is and will always be greater, not equal to, only greater than motivation.
Right.
That's the whole point. 1% every day might, you might feel that 1% देने से क्या होगा? 1% तो मतलब like we won't be able to see visible changes and all. But the patience here will be the key in your success, or you can say will be the key in your progression.
Yeah.
4 to 5 years down the line, I would rather say so.
And that's the point where people usually give up easily.
Exactly.
They want an early success, and they just don't have that patience.
Exactly.
Now let me give you an epigone. Let me give you just an example. So imagine now you're sitting in a room, okay, and like the weather is too cold. You are like having snow outside, and you have an ice in front of you, okay. So now you are just looking at that ice, and the room temperature is changing slightly. Okay, so if the temperature is right now -7 degrees Celsius, so it will come down to -6, -5, -4, -3, -3. So it will come up to -1. Still, you won't see any change in that.
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly.
But again, you are just changing the temperature by 1 degree. So you are taking minus. You are going from -1 to 0. Now you'll slightly see the change.
Exactly.
It deforms into water. It starts
Honestly.
changing its shape.
You know what? There is this, you can say there is this thing that when we start up, there is this graph that when we start a thing, when we start a new thing, our motivation is very high. So and it is very much possible that we see immense success in the initial phase of what we do. For example, let's take a very basic example. Okay, like I want to run 3 kilometers, marathon. Okay, so I just say, okay, I'll run 3 kilometers marathon. I'm on the start line. Let's go. Okay, so initial 500 to 600 meters, you will feel like, oh, it is so very it is like a cakewalk. 3 kilometer to aise ho jayega.
Yeah.
But there is this point around, like, I don't know, like experienced runners can define this better.
Yeah.
But there is this one point where when you feel the strain in your legs. Okay. At that very moment, when I am running 3 kilometer, my mindset is always like, okay, what if I put a step forward? What if I put another step forward?
Right.
At least I'll be ahead of the point, like from the point where I thought, okay, I should stop. At least a step ahead. Let's not make like, okay, मैं यहाँ से 1 kilometer ahead, I'll be stopping.
Yeah.
Not like that. But in the moment where I thought that, okay, this is it, I need to stop. When I put a step forward from that point,
Yeah.
when I put a step forward from the point ki, oh, it's done for me now. That's when the graph starts, the stagnancy decreases and the improvement increases.
True.
That's when I realized that when I ran my first 2.5 kilometer, my first 2.5 kilometer was was a marathon that I ran in Terna. Okay. I'm not a seasoned runner altogether, but I love running marathons, or you can say long runs, like 3-5 kilometers kind of thing. So when I was not even sure that I'll complete 2.5.
Okay.
So there was this turn, and I just thought ki, okay, this is it. But then I realized that what if I put a step forward every time where I was running, I was thinking ki, okay, this is it. But no, I'll keep putting a step forward. At least I'll be in a better position than where I was a few meters ago, like a
Right.
few moments ago.
Got it.
Correct. So that is the whole point, that to keep putting a step forward
Yeah.
wherever you go, just
Right.
put a step forward in a direction and you'll find your way. That's the whole thing. Not just putting a step forward in any direction, putting the step forward in the right direction towards the destination. That will be better. That will be the best thing that you can do.
And actually, this point is called the plateau of latent success. So basically, kaisa hai ki if you, again the same thing like the example which I gave about the ice.
Correct.
So just 1% improvement every single day.
Exactly.
That will first it will not be like as a you won't see the remarkable change, but like the tiny changes would take you to that remarkable change.
Once you reach your destination, once you reach the finish line, though you're not in the top 3, but still you came from a position where you wanted to finish the race midway, but you still finished it.
Yeah, true.
At the destination, completing the 2.5 kilometers. Most of the runners don't even, like, you can say, they don't even finish 2.5 in the top 3, but still they are satisfied. Why? Because it was their first run and they completed the distance.
Yeah.
That's the whole point.
That's true. That's true.
Yeah.
And also, you might be knowing the NBA team San Antonio Spurs. You might have heard about it.
Yeah, I have heard about it.
So yeah, their head coach also used to say the same thing, that imagine like a blacksmith forging his material, suppose. So he will just stripe the iron for 1 times, 2 times, 3 times until 100 times. He might not see the change, but at some time it will turn out to be an ore. Yeah,
Exactly.
definitely. So that's the case, man. And yeah, I personally believe that, like, I personally have this mantra of following the good habits. You crave response and reward. Do you think that this is the actual mantra? Like, what do you think about
Can you
this?
repeat once?
Q, like CUE, Q.
Okay.
Then crave,
Okay.
which is directly proportional to the Q. Like, if you are queuing about something, then the craving just occurs in your mind. Then you response about it, and then you get the reward
Okay.
according to it.
I feel this is a very, you can say it is a very niche, not exactly niche, but a very good mantra that you spoke about.
Yeah.
Because once we build a desire about something, like okay, for example, if I say ki yeah, I want to run any distance, 3 kilometers under 15 minutes.
Right.
Okay, I'm waiting, like okay, I'm pursuing it. I'm pursuing a goal. It is not like it will happen in a day or in like overnight. You need to make sure that your timing drops down the every second. You need to make sure that your diet is on point. You need to also make sure that your practice is on point. You don't skip days. You don't have not like you don't have cheat meals, but you limit those cheat meals to such an extent ki that doesn't affect your training altogether. Like even Neeraj Chopra for that matter, to reach from 86.48 in the IAF under 20, I guess under 20 World Championships.
Yeah.
In 2016, as I was. From there, just to reach 90, to breathe 90 meters, it is like what? 3.7 or 3.4 meters. For that, he trained 9 years. Or the legendary Usain Bolt.
उसमें exactly मेरे मन में वही था.
Exactly. To run 9.58 seconds. Just to run a
He
9.7
practiced for 9 years just to increase his speed by 1 second.
Exactly. That's the whole thing.
That's it.
You need to make sure that your craving is to this extent that people feel that you're crazy. People see you as a person who is very weirdly activated towards his goal.
Yeah.
His or her goal, I would say.
Yeah.
It's all what exactly you want. It is not about ki, okay, it is like an infatuation ki, haan, I want this. I do it for a few days and then yaar maza nahi aa raha, so I'll leave it. It is not like that. It is always, I want this, so I want this.
Right.
It is never possible for any guy or any girl
Yeah.
or any man, woman, anybody in this entire world to just achieve something if he or she has no strong desire about it. Okay, like
Right.
exactly. So be it any aspect, be it
Yeah.
like sports, anything.
And you know, one thing here I want to add is if you keep trying, like you will fail. Like it is definitely, there's no way that you will succeed in everything in your first attempt.
Of course.
You will fail multiple times and you'll just keep failing. But you know, that's where people actually give up. And I would again say one example. I will give you an example. There was a Dutch psychologist. I don't remember his name properly, but there was a Dutch psychologist who had several cats. Okay, like I guess 6 to 7 cats. What he used to do, he used to build up a maze, and he used to take all his cats and put them in the maze. And there was like a reward in the end whenever they used to get out of that maze, correct? So he kept the track of how they are reacting, their reaction. Like at first the cat was like completely confused. They were perplexed. What should we do? Like they were just roaming around and here and there, and they were just playing around in the corner and everything like that. But like um if we keep like watching, they change it automatically. The way of thinking, the way of cognitive thinking in their mind changed automatically, and the time got reduced. And first, like suppose one cat used to take 20 seconds or like 1 minute, it get reduced to 20 seconds, 10 seconds, 6 seconds, like that. So consistency matters a lot.
Exactly. Like as you mentioned earlier, that we'll never be successful in our first attempt. True. 110%. Why? Because in the first attempt, many people are of this opinion that, oh, I just started this venture. I don't know what exactly is the roadmap or any such blueprint then people followed to get successful. Actually, I feel there is no actual blueprint to get successful. There is just like, you just have to be consistent in the right direction. That's all that matters. Yeah, it's the whole thing. You have to be consistent. You have to give your 100%. You have to give your 120% every day. And just make sure that even if you fail, you win.
Yeah.
How is that? Like, even if you fail,
You're
It is-
learning from it.
yeah, exactly. It is never failing altogether. It is either you win or you learn. That's the whole thing.
And we have that psychology that we know that we have failed, right? So we won't repeat the same mistake. again.
Exactly. That's what you say, like, learn from your past, apply it in your present for a better future.
Right.
That's the whole thing. That's true. And also, there is this one saying that never switch off or never go down, or you can say wind down on your efforts after your first success. Because if you fail the second time, if you fail the consecutive time, there are many naysayers around that who say at first success was a luck. ठीक है?
Right.
You have to give them consistent. Actually, you have to prove nothing. Okay, you have to किसी को prove करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Just prove it to yourselves. Yeah, I am capable of this. That's what matters. Prove it to God that yeah, give me that success because I have put in the efforts day in day out. Fail a lot. Fail many times. Fail better, but learn better and win better. That's the whole essence of life.
People usually have this narrative, right? Like if you lose, everyone will say that okay, he's a loser. What the fuck is he doing? And if you win, there is just call it an overnight success.
Exactly.
Like no one wants to know about the struggle, the failures which we have faced while achieving that goal.
Actually, I feel
The system, the process.
Yes. Actually, I feel people calling themselves successful.
Yeah.
I feel like I'm of this opinion. I'm not generalizing this opinion altogether, but I feel that one should never call themselves successful anytime.
Yeah.
Because once you call yourself successful, once you see in the mirror and say, oh yeah, I have the best body, I have the best physique, I have the best riches, or you can say I have the best finances anybody can have, that's when your ability gets cut short.
Right. Right.
Your ability to achieve better, your ability to go higher gets cut off.
That's just being boastful, yeah.
Not exactly boastful, but you limit yourself ki okay, iske aage, yeah, it's enough for me. No, that's a message that you give altogether ki okay, iske aage kuch karna hai nahi, but there is a lot to achieve, right?
That's the basic point of you should focus on your system and processes rather than goal.
Exactly.
Because that's your goal, right? Like, take an example of sprinters. What they do is sometimes if they achieve, like for example, they achieve a gold medal in Olympics, that is their goal. So when they achieve that goal, everything just gets over in their life. It's just okay, I've achieved everything in my life. I've achieved the Olympics and Olympics gold medal. So what else do I have to achieve? I've achieved everything. So that's the mentality of achieving goal. But if you are looking at the system, if you are looking at the processes which led you to that goal, you have that mentality that okay, I've won this gold medal, I will win it multiple times.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So
So you just keep going.
any goal shouldn't be a cap for your ability. Every goal should be a checkpoint to your ability.
True.
Okay, I have achieved this. Okay, so I don't need to start from the grassroots. I have the base. I have as you mentioned about the gold medal in Olympics. Okay, I have achieved a gold medal in Olympics. Okay, so I am on the center stage. So I have this base. I have the ability to win a gold at Olympics. Okay. So what if I don't achieve it the next time? What if I don't keep the performance consistent in not only Olympics but say World Athletics Championships, World Athletics Tours,
Yeah.
or like continental tours for that matter? What if I don't keep up the consistency? People will simply think that oh, maybe in that race the competition was very less. Maybe the runners who were there were not of his caliber altogether.
Yeah.
ये runner होता तो शायद ये silver आता. ये runner होता तो
That's all the speculations.
Exactly. So and people are free for those packages. Like it's free of charge for them as well as for us.
That's right.
All right. So I would rather say just focus on whatever you are doing. Just take just take, or you can say just capture the things what you feel are the best for you,
Yeah.
what you feel can improve. Like not the best for you, I would say. Everything you will hear won't be the best for you. There are people who like to pull you down. There are some people who would only demand, or you can say only wish the best for you in disguise.
That's true.
That's true. So that's the whole thing. So we need to make sure that we are aware of what we are doing and how we are doing and when we are doing and why we are doing. That's the whole point of life, I would say.